Odi for kwa na eka say. Ya me da sorry ya to this the Church of Bethesda. Simple pronunciation no eye beseda. Mami, me so bibiri. Se opapa odi for kwa. Me hwe TVgh na TV a. Wonso be dey. Be ka me hoin. Na yen hwe. Na se wo hwe a me srew. Brofu bi na kan ho no. Se wahu. Yesi ye dey. Subscribe. Na ye dey. Na mi do no so. Na former sister wote no ho ano. Na ontie bi. Ebi mpa. Obohu papa akwa. Nyame hira wo. So utie ye. Goodbye.
Said there was a Pinaman Cosmetics or move beyond East Legon branch, no, and a Tracy Bow. But maybe one video no kind. The only thing I said was, oh, Tracy, we ain't chair you. The assessment was stressing the whole no OPA. Oh, into the one I'm says Zion, Ebisano, we no so Range Rover. I'm says Zion can be our range. I know so, over parky between if ye. But I know the shot then sana also this scanner, but so this can be before front so Range Rover and I say I don't they are enticing her with it and now so catch any pan so on befanko. What I say so that one was on social media. Do you get it? This was something which Zion, you know, streamed live into to me who say I didn't make us so Obian said Tracy was ska. Into saying I didn't go by saying they will be doing the birthday and then the Yamani Range Rover. Me did me birthday no be am be ma me Range Rover. Hey, my fans. Me nika o me sremo, o me ma me Range Rover.
Oh, customize number plate.
Customize more than one.
Me boss kana me use. Eye mo na one wo.
Me who say why more than one?
GR1222 then I can
tanka. And me who say more than one.
GR1222 dey be more
1216.
Na afi ayi
me na me di bed do me car. What will be our car?
Me person your dicey issue BCC one said some time ago there was this issue about this among the celebrities na Pinaman assigning omono.
Yeah.
Okay. Now afi okome platform no so people keep making a whole lot of suggestions. Me take and say nipa no was kind of so signing for 1,000. I was what I on one is.
Of course. At the end, I'm more behind all the celebrities.
It took us by
a record label.
No, I mean,
yeah,
like say on one isika. It's also be
okay. So now, no, unfortunately, no, celebrities ni bi no. Entokwa wo muntem. What I say?
Yeah.
If there's no unity amongst those who needs to promote the brand, na.
How can the brand be
promoted?
No,
Anna, it doesn't matter. Mona, I shouldn't like you to work with you. Once we have both agreed that this thing is going to put food on our table, Mona, if we have agreed, the job is the job. You don't like
you will deal with that on a different level.
Yeah, no.
You will deal with that on a different level.
That is my point. Like, you can't advertise.
It will not affect the job.
You can't advertise the product. It's not like you catch a museum. You have to laugh and do an advert together. You're signing while you're sitting out here. Use your influence to sell
my product.
So what is your problem if there was a way and say I am supposed to sell so much more than this person
because
I don't even need you anymore because this person is giving me all the market I need. So why would I pay two people? What is your problem if somebody wants to sign your words?
The reason I'm saying this is that Eei Akuapem Poloo only say only signing the first.
No, only signing the first.
Promoting at later obehwe no. Ni akwa sign Felama Kafui medical sister Afia Odo now these people are not in good terms with her. And I'm not trying the best to explain Pinaman Yobia ne kasa bako like Oyobia on the kasa na umete. Try so be catch and say Poloo products no doso. Wo say Jackie appear promote UB a one product pay. Even is hair relaxer. They don't need but this is a situation whereby on or one products so you should Tracy Bwacheba. Now black skin for the you Tracy Bwache.
Mona, why does she have to explain? Why?
So do you get the points right now?
No.
That was my problem.
I don't care. Why does she have to explain to Poloo? Why?
She doesn't have to.
Because Poloo was complaining.
No, unnecessary business. Now, did she fund the business?
Not at all.
So if these people don't like you and I like you, if these people are not in good terms with you, and I am in good terms with you,
you should even appreciate that.
And if these people,
it's because of that, you know, or say no, ne start a promotion, you know, na Pinaman, ababe Pinaman, na se Pinaman.
No, Pinaman, you're Pinaman because of Eei Akuapem Poloo. Eei Akuapem Pinaman. You make last year. Yes,
last year. Pinaman, Nana made in China.
Nana made in China.
Because he's on my state. Exactly. So he's always doing like Pinaman. Like I mean, he's always doing.
Yeah.
I have a beautiful.
You know, because of that, you know, Eei Akuapem Poloo some edited conversations about or no any mame no. Because one say Eei Akuapem Poloo assembly she needs to explain. Ne who say oh there be. Minim say only way then no problem
just
but
like
way say
she didn't even have to
because people are thinking say maybe the woman is being unfair to Poloo. And those quite
Pinaman in your mouth.
Yeah, where you Pinaman. And Poloo echo trauma those call celebs. And those call celebs when you
say one in the conversation. I know the DF. And no, those call celebs.
Eei Akuapem to come out those call celebs of finally.
Those call celebs
and then up to now, the reason I'm saying that is up till now, celebrities ni na mamena signing on no. Eei Akuapem Poloo. And there's another one, Afia Odo. The woman literally cries because of them.
Why?
Poloo, through those called celebs, we not about out. My purchases not falling because Poloo goes back to tell the fans and they say, meanwhile, you are under a 3 years contract for which you were paid over 35,000 Ghana cedi. Contract expire. And then, because you are bitter that they've signed people you don't like her.
So she's telling people to say products.
Exactly.
And then do they have proof that she's saying?
Yes, we have all the proof.
She first of all told her fans that Nkunu no use products no use ejeno. And now that she's having problem with the brand, she's gone back telling them that I lied. That's not the product I'm using.
No, but you see, when
products in we use our enjoy to try with I've
not heard her say that. But if she says that, then she's been unfair. Not unfair. I mean,
evil.
No, you're not even being evil. You're not. You're being quite
childish. You're going. No, you're not getting crazy.
No, you're not getting crazy. Like I don't want to insult her. No, I don't want to use an insult. Like I don't want to insult her. But you're not being sensible.
The
literacy level. There was a bigger one in my head.
There was a bigger one in your head.
My point being that celebrities, majority of the time, if there is no acting, if there is no music videos, you make your money off of selling stuff for people.
Exactly.
Like advertising stuff for people.
Yeah.
So if you Poloo that you have fan bases who trust you and trust your judgment, and then you are telling them that, oh, buy this thing, it's good.
It's good.
Then 2 years later, you come and tell me that.
It's not 2 years, 1 year later, actually.
Even if it's 3 months, you come and tell me that, don't buy it again. Then it means from now onwards, I should never trust anything you say. Because you are doing it either because upeska
I learned in the contract she was not supposed to advertise or promote any other cosmetic brand.
Yeah.
But it's not up to 2 years or 3 years like Mona said. She's already advertising for other cosmetic brands.
And the Pinaman onim court coin.
Oh, nyabotre. So the
contract didn't end.
The woman was literally and so
still now you womb.
Still the contract is valid. Few days ago, I show you, extending me. We say, Poloo Nigeria phobia. Now, what even killed the woman and the woman wept was that Okochro caption is Okochro we sign better deals. Only for us to find out saying 7,000 Ghana cedis no mutual. And now Poloo no, you were paid 30,000 cash for just being a brand ambassador, excluding monies that you call the woman and tell us, oh mommy, me no problem with. Now the amount police case buy us oh ban nudity e buy we say uhiska mama no sell 5,000 Ghana cedi.
Now that time not all these celebs you're talking about, they were still on.
Yes,
so that time she didn't have a problem.
No, by then she didn't know.
And then black colon cry billboard.
No, you were talking about Tammy man is Kano.
No, me can say time and me buy me buy. Sana medical money
No, she has already complained to the woman, and the woman and man says, "Oh, to me, you more."
And the woman still gave her money.
And the woman still gave her money.
It's not even about the woman still gave her money. You still went to ask the woman you were not happy with for money. That is how
which means you were totally abusing the woman because you felt that the woman was too generous. I'm not if you're also there, and they say.
And if you're done, my minimum is Kakoto stuffing chairs school in the field.
Good.
100,000 Ghana.
Yes, 10,000 Ghana.
Is it for real?
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. The woman is living with the brand ambassadors. They say, ne money ni apart from Sika, we tria on na say baby crown pona. What friend mommy say, he said, I will if your door and mama no, someone said Pinaman war. Brand be so friend Rain, and we all know that Rain belongs to Wale.
Yeah.
And a mama no, and me say, or Shatta get in touch, and or catch Shatta say obey Rain, so that it will be like he's the face of that particular brand, the cologne, the perfume, and all that. And I'm one in Shatta will be he's coming from the street. Into no obi the idea business into obi the idea be bad about something and need you into mama me no go ahead and say oh it's a good idea into oh yeah then na me my head my promote then from there no then you say be an royalty wo mu you say and I say and Shatta you be a me nim no or you be as o kasa de we me yam free me nje wo hwe ya obeye
okasa so obeju okay
into okasa cha mama no ntino wanje hwe wo mama ne ho what you say and mama ne immediately and I started a manufacture products no. Now, products products na my started manufacturing. And now, someone young will say if you order a Shatta down for pa.
A very good friend.
And if you order for Shatta, you cook frame my menu. I catch my menu say, me man in trusted Shatta.
You don't say.
Me man in trusted Shatta. Me man in fast Shatta in your face no.
In some way, you know, I want to that.
And I break it. And mamma no.
But I think sir with Poloo ne mamma issue they were wanting.
No wait, but so I get the whole picture. We will come and then land on a point.
Okay.
These are celebrities amunyina yemfa say ya sign who on Nike so ebi ameso me on Nike so ebi edem ato so
Ajua does Shatta knows say if you oda kwaka bi si ache na me no
whether Shatta knows or not the minim say Khadija this sa nyama ni nyina
send me. I would understand why Afia Odo would say that because yet he say in South Africa wines
South African wines
later you yan say Shatta Wale and then she literally wrote you are a thief so it means she had a reason
no by then she was cool a same way Afia Odo after Oko Shatta fie say if any say Shatta man is scan I say we and I say if okay
so
fine you are friends with Shatta okay you are friends with Shatta
okay
now they are doing a product in Shatta's name he's your friend
okay
into ukwana obe mama men
you are my friend and you have slept with my husband before and then we are talking now but next time I see a friend of yours with a man around like Mommy, we should the fact that she's friends again with him doesn't mean that she doesn't have any right not to.
But now my problem is,
but the thing is,
this time around, if you're outside near Deba, it's with another person. So why did you have to go there?
But you also said that the woman has had this daughter-mother relationship with all of them. Yeah. So maybe she was saying it's based on, I say, what about business move fresh? I don't think this is the guy you should be working with. For the woman to also come and say these things, it means she has also broken all of them their trust. It means they are all the same.
If you don't betray the woman, that's what I'm trying to say. If you are the name of Shatta, and the mamina seven come Shatta, and a Shatta cool contract, and they say, oh, you the point I'm building, people are not getting the point.
What's it? If you're Dr. Kache Mame,
say, remember, you Shatta, you saw no boyfriend, and the mamma make a saba. And I'm a minute. My minister, wine and wine, and also the boy is so bonum. And I'm a minister, or you want to go with Siata Dima, Mameno. Yeah. Can
I drink some of your tea? I want to sip tea at this point. Like, what you saying? I'm not here. YouTube, or sending a link on YouTube, no check here. And I'm a minister.
say no no on it and Kabia. So the wait. In your phone, so
Ebia Afia said to my many say, Fakwesiata, but probably didn't say, where be boy. Oh, dear, next week, me ba, ya depend on my 2 line so. Aye. It's no, or can't find a boy and the boy is a celebrity no. And my many say, why? And no, the link, and he said, my minister call her it's a Equisi Atano. Either, or look over the number, I mean, him does equal Joata. Into a sending link, and I'm remind me a friend of Quincy. And my minister, and come in Shatta ending come about it, dear. Come in the bay. But since I'm in a ding come on, me funny chair, me would be terrible. Yeah, what I say, it's a fear no, some my men and penisono, and a fear the my men was some command Shatta. I catch it and say, my men say, what do you mean $100,000? Say, minya cream, say, minya rain products. Never tell my Shatta buffet because Shatta news say on Jim, my men. But they don't want to explain. But can just say that? They just say that with yeah, it's Shatta $100,000. No, one can be biasa. Okay, but did she explain to Shatta Wale? Like, did she try to say something? No, not Shatta Wale. For someone you know, Shatta. No, no, he's not ready to listen to anything. It's no, mommy, no. The reason why mommy paved, then say a cat and I've done this so. It is a product in Naka. Do you know the woman even didn't know the reason why Shatta was not picking her call and all that. Word of mouth. Did you understand? It's in a do you see? It's Odono. Afia Odo. One within a twinkling of an eye, no. Mama menu so aboka nti polo ama mama no eboka if you do so side no and I just nigga so esiu no I know they no I mean no but you see we saw the court letter and then they say oh yesu there asama yesu there yenka one say the yan say dey be free court ha
no but my point is
we want to know when the woman gives her the $100,000 we want to know when.
No, mama no so there be Oma Shatta bibia. Mama no dey or say we are talking about Afia. But Afia no dey okoka kire Shatta say untie the Pinaman eka. Pinaman start say ka kire nkofo say wo Shatta wage ne $100,000 into oye rain no aba. What you say? And Shatta so bufu because one mama ni scanty no. Shatta bufu ye. Say why would you go and say this about me? What you say?
That's what I'm saying. Don't get pissed like that.
Shatta didn't give the woman the opportunity to explain what you say. Like Shatta also was so angry and he also trusted Afia so much that one little the opportunity so now that he knows until Mama need the medical bar on board. It is Shatta so your medical bar. Medical Shatta bar actually. Medical Shatta bar. Into no Shatta won't medical aba on board no. And sana Shatta be send message mama me say this is what if you catch we say ni say and mama me say na mama me ka so no on kasa enye dey just mama me go confront Afia Odo no and Afia Odo say text mama me message Ghana for celebrities most of them are so ungrateful. Text mama me say on the onjina on chron say you have betrayed you and all we dey laugh you for here you think you can come between me and Shatta. What? Wow. That's Afia Odo. Are you serious? Now, do you have the message? I will phone so would them the bema wona ya will page with this agrono to me the bema. I say wona with this agrono. Me I only come out when it's vital. And I'm about out. Wow, so these are the things that is happening among most celebrities no. You get it? To say Ebia Mark Adija say oh, me who GH mouthpiece ne page no oh to me vibrant videos for advertisement.
My only problem with
Miss Bell, the woman even came to send you a message. But who kind message? The woman wanted to make Miss Bell a brand ambassador since 2018. What you say? But one check it.
But can I say something?
So do you sincerely Miss Bell, do you sincerely think say my meneka so me who GH mouthpiece or yeah commercial pa inti can person me video mami. Then I me catch it all. Me catch say oh mami, obit me aye fine pa. Intin kaminyanka nanka all the celebs are like that. Wo hwe na we feel the say ya no agye ama no unso edu so aye be gye ama. Miss Batwaso.
Me ka say me dem my only problem with my mini say by way of proving to Akuapem Poloo so open asama na nke hu hia say on incrofo income be send this.
But my point is, are we even sure this woman is 100? Like I mean,
well, can I finish?
What happened? Okay.
Say audios are those call celebs be too no. Aya enkomo a incrofo ni maame na bo. Odi assign ni Poloo. That's my only problem with this. Say so we are trying.
That's only girl on the phone.
And conversation. Time now Polo air complaining said they don't like me, they hate me. And I'm be an instant say, oh, medical say. Onu kwampo de or support it. Medical bear my brand and say sometimes kwampo no Tracy say Tracy no so
the kasa audio.
Now you know the smart thing Polo was doing. So also name mama no audio here.
No we deleting it.
We deleting it but when you say ansana obey no mama ne bono or another recorder wo ho no mo a recorded the entire
conversation.
What
I'm saying is
to explain.
Yes, first of all, she doesn't even have to explain.
Have you ever loved someone? What will be a sim? I think so, and then Polo's situation with the woman.
The audios you have seen. They are gossiping about somebody else.
Not like they are sending Polo.
Polo cha baby a bit favor.
So we
have full video now, mami no. And then the reason why she talks about the other celebs to Polo is to say Abnami or Mana Mona be accuse you. And Abna cramming in you're fine. I didn't know the Abna to brand no, so I'll have to explain to you why Abna is on the brand. And then in the conversation, the baby a bit favor no. Now I cut that off. Now they are trouble thing. You understand? Okay, probably Mona called and wanted to be on the brand just to support me. Okay. Tracy Boache friend is so supporting brand not for anything, but me any baby and to so only no problem crash. It's only supporting my brand. You understand? Intimate church room definitely. It's not like the woman intentionally wants to gossip.
You came accusing the woman
that
enemies.
But isn't it too much of a coincidence that all your signees are turning like? I mean, all of them. Not all of them. It's just unknown, you know. Oh, but say if you're sure niggas so can't wait. So I mean,
the issue started with the Afia and Poloo.
You see, so Mamika Bibinchiro, Ghana ha. Obi Edi wo baby a yen in yonko. Because celebrity ni mu bia. Sounds so kofrema many catcher and say, and then all the Zion Felix ni menale nato so. Na Ghana ha they are not popular. Do you get it? But who Zion Felix any not only necessary. Into mama no or say or a penny moon. And you have to know Obeka say who say. But you are you trying to maintain peace among them because she tried.
Because all the only be a mate I sama Nkrofo catcher mama no. And a Polo access to that. I know that I was those cause celebs no. So which means say me know what sending audio mamia. I send ama.
Yeah, that's how it look like. So that's sending audio ni mama Mina. Then she sends it to Eei Akuapem Poloo.
To prove say.
She just wanted to
prove
it.
No, it's not even that. Let me give you the reality.
Audios now,
Eei Akuapem Poloo say
the reason why I am not taking the reason why I am not taking the reason why I am not trying to take what Mona is saying is because she's coming from the woman's side. Do you get it? Like everybody has where they're coming from. Okay. If Poloo too sits here and if you sits here and if your daughter to sit here, I bet all three of them will get something to say that will make the woman look bad now.
No, but that's when the evidences and this thing will come out. Because and the evidence don't lie. What you are saying? And I may say, Kasa, if I don't have anything to hear or anything I've seen, I won't talk about it. And if indeed they were right, and those called celebs, I realize they say, Poloo abe dada no. And come back out and be apologize. Nibufu ya pass Poloo.
Nibufu ya or do you in the conversation crab at thing.
Do you get it?
I understand.
Those called celebs, yeah, Poloo. 6 months at Poloo, Becca said she paid that woman 300 Ghana a week for 6 months to insult her. So if that woman has come to insult her again, how is it?
No, she didn't come to insult her. Like I had to say, why did you lie to me? Why did you not tell me? Say, Mammy, say no, because after those costales post to Yemono post, Mammy released the real conversation, like the full conversation. You would know. So the woman didn't intentionally want to, sell the other celebs out to Poloo. You understand? And it's about those
how they also came on board to support.
You understand? You understand?
But now was Uncle Much Poloo.
That is my own. Stop boy, see one and one cause I need Shatta Wale or go actually.
And that was uncommon.
If you are not happy, leave.
I mean, the woman like or not. That's what I think. Nti I say what fun say.
That's why they say don't mix business with pleasure. It's not just sex.
Yeah.
It's everything.
Pleasure is everything. Because I mean, what they did is something which
it's pleasure. Like Ukauni keeping strictly one. I mean, and then from the way they are saying now we're recording with, that is that they distrusted each other from the very beginning. Because if you don't distrust it, Ukauni ni audio, Ukauni front tour and recording for late.
When Polo started threatening, say. Mamina betray or no, na then or this and Kofo, you know, so Mamina keep telling me, say, a Jumano brand, a different.
I don't know if I'm gonna watch Mamina recording Ibia. Very low on her voice, and then Utmus or tries to explain things. It's not video now. Within the explanation, I will bet some of the things Polo has. I mean, Wakata Yama.
Then it will make sense.
Your full video now, you know the woman was making sense. Me most of the
no, I'm not saying the woman is not making sense. My point is, you have your money. Why invest it in Eei?
Why do you explain yourself?
Madam, you need to sell your stuff.
And then send her any audio.
And then if Polo was doing enough, in Cancun, some was shelf, you has a bad advert.
Your bad advert, and that's a best sign will be for.
Senka, if Polo, if she thinks she was doing the most and she was doing everything, your friend is saying, yeah, Nana, my grandmother, high sense. No, because she's doing her job.
But so if a high sense of I said the Kojon can't show. Nana hasn't complained.
No, I don't want to Kojo buy a couple still. Nana. My point is, oh, Tom Way. Who him say a day I'm there, see, Ayaka, Maboka. Now, you've invested hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars inside. No, say, I don't like this person, so. Will you give me my money?
You have to explain yourself.
Will you give me back my money?
You don't have to.
Like, what are you talking about? Like, I have to explain. Why do you have to explain?
And then sending her proofs.
That is my point. Like, it's like you owe her something. Why do you owe her anything?
Yeah,
when you are the one who signed it and you are the one who paid it. And then sometimes you just have to let people know their place.
Just like Mona was saying, I think that the woman wanted to, offer celebrities and you have to send him back.
But then you don't do that with business.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Once and yes, I
think you learn her lessons. I'm sure.
Yeah, yes,
Mona, we all know that on this earth, whatever goes around will surely come around.
Exactly.
I mean, we don't need to be Christian. You don't need to be Muslim to see that. Even pagans, even you don't believe in Jesus, do you?
It's a way of life.
Exactly. Come on. It's a bitch. And if it's true what they are saying that the two of them did to, if it's true what they are saying that if you do this to they will do it to themselves.
Shatta Wale has done that with that South African wine.
Now did he do anything of that?
Oh
sort?
Yes.
Say, it came out as Afia Odo was like the owner, the manager. Later, everyone is she has stopped there. Shatta Wale is the one advertising for them. And then she clearly came out to come and say that you are a thief. And then Shatta also wrote, check it to our
tea.
Yeah, I think it was amazing.
Oh yeah, Shatta didn't come out to deny that.
No, and then you see, Shatta was like looking at Shatta, he could have insulted it, but he was
very calm.
Then it means he knew he was at fault.
But I'm sure maybe because he was considering their friendship.
No.
Junior US. If you're the ex-boyfriend, if you're the best
ex-boyfriend, no. But that's the ex-boyfriend, no.
He also on dating Junior.
Oh, sir.
So Junior won't be anyone.
Oh, na so be we know Ethiopia we were.
She cried
on dating.
Oh, my Murphy. Oh, show me why Ochina send me if you're done Junior US. From New Jersey, New York to Philadelphia, more pictures and videos.
So they can be frightened.
But do you think it's friendship picture? A friendship picture come in Kasa or camera. On sending me the intimate pictures, that's what I'm saying. I've lost my phone. So send it to me.
No, on
TSS, if you deny,
no, but why are you lying?
But you heard it before that she's saying.
No, Junior is not like Bema Fumbia and so sir.
No, it's because of how Shatta said it.
Later on, and send me Kobe by so Shatta ni Junior
it's true. It's the truth.
Shatta ni Junior US if you die.
Now, some more America when we were there with the name show near here. Yes, show na Junior America, America, Shatta Wale America.
It wasn't Ghana.
No. Just like from me to you.
Okay.
But you see, but Ghanaians were creating the impression that it was like a threesome or something, and she cried. She even deactivated her account. I think she even wished she was dead at some point
because of the threesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because you see, the thing is, people keep insulting her, and then they're like, you don't even have anything to show for the things people like. That's why people kept insulting her.
But do they know everything she has?
So no, so yeah, the better just car, and she follows her heart. She deals with love and all that. So that's how come she was like
her own words.
Yeah, and yeah, so me amending because me say me na me nimu no it's true. Junior US na me nimu no. It no so ka say ha o can be bisa ebe me ya.
Okay.
What I say because Junior is a friend to Junior is a friend to our family. Na me wu ya me boy na me say wonya me boy ya we go. Na bi ande na nipa no ti ase no wantimi ande na no twen ma wawu ni wechi.
Nipa na mba because if you do
It didn't come up.
It didn't come up till the guy died though. This whole thing we never knew Junior.
So do you want to say Shatta ni didn't come Shatta bo ni trim keke no cancer. It is something which is strengthening Shatta DTZ no. You get it?
Yeah, baby I want it.
Shatta wonya crowd. What's that?
Why you secret to be active?
Junior was dead.
I don't know. That's how he is. But then his friend, I said, "Mood didn't come on. You know, you people are just real."
Me no didn't come on. I want to be famous to social media. Me no didn't go on.
What do you go men?
That's why now he didn't feel say
Oh, well, probably not on him to say if you will feel bad about the whole situation.
Yeah, he didn't know because it's your husband and I be so say your boyfriend or your husband. Until you can say if you soon then I'm say they're important. Like Shatta I can't.
Maybe so I know what Junior US would in a
No, like no. You see, they didn't just do the Junior US whole thing, saying that like Teresa anyway like sir, they made it look nasty. They didn't just say that oh na any boy you. They didn't leave it there. They didn't even say like they were in a relationship. They made it look like he used to pay her for sex.
Almost Junior US, almost dating.
Me who that kind of life in America is dating. The Junior, you know me who need to say. They are dating.
So you think they were fucking?
You know, American girls are not too much about the love kind of. Junior was sick.
Because our Ghana.
Junior is a rich guy, always ska. You know, definitely, Obabia or Pebiano. Obetimienya. But I said, when Shatta comes to America, he loves you. No, I mean, like, do America, like, do you get it? Because even the mere facts in post say, hey, this is Shatta Wale. Me date Shatta Dana, say, me rocky one night stand, be that, or something like that. Another fact say, or Shatta number, bet me a text, say, hey, babe, how are you? Now, Shatta so reply. Some girls are like fan of this kind of mini kind of things, what I say. And by me getting to know if you're done, it's through Junior US.
Okay.
And I mean,
see because
what's BBA say? You know, and a junior US near Oboemo Finepo skinny near Shatta Wale near, you know, some kind of squad be a more brochure. They are always together at Chipalago. Okay, who bisa Chipalago. So we know Bisam.
Nasa Palago, they were about to have a cut data. Palago can't back and say, a friend is saying. Shatta,
somebody is telling me that Poloo was not angry because the woman signed them. The person is saying that Poloo was angry because the woman was saying ill things about them and later went to sign them.
No. It's a lie.
But what does the woman know about them?
You
need to ask yourself. What does she know about them? Rebecca ill things about them.
That was what about say or catch my minister bit my advert man. In the advert now so start saying.
Oh, that be many adverts.
And me activate phone lines no na you go for em fref and omunchiro madwe.